Hello guys, this is Engineer Bonjovi Arbello and you are watching CBAX. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications and updates on our YouTube channel. So this is our problem number 3 for reinforced concrete arrangement of reinforcing bars. Draw the details of the most efficient beam in terms of flexure if the beam is cast in place. Okay, same na same sa ating problem number 1 and number 2. Ang beam section natin ay 200 by 350 mm, rectangular beam. Reinforced with 12 mm stirrups. Okay, nagbago na. Then, 8 yung ating longitudinal bars na ang sukat ay 16 mm diameter. Walang sinabi rito kung siya ay positive or negative bending. So, let's assume na siya ay positive bending. Medyo laki natin. Then, ito yung ating stirrups. Ating stirrups is 12 millimeters. Yan. Tapos, ang bilang ng ating mga bakal is 8, no? Medyo marami rin yun, no? Marami siya kasi maliit lang yung, yung width, 200 mm lang. But anyway, ayan. So, again, kapag kaya ginawa natin itong, tig-apat, ano kaya mangyayari? Kasi iba yung ginawa niya, MJB Castro. So, check natin, no? Mamaya natin i-discuss or ipakita yung ginawa ni MJB Castro sa kanyang libro. Yan. So, 2 layers tayo na tig-apat ang bakal. So, solve natin yung clear spacing ng ganitong arrangement. So, let's say SC1. So, SC1 is equivalent to 200 minus 4 na clear cover. Dalawa na clear cover. Then minus 12 millimeters, no? Tapos dalawa yon yung ating stirrups. Tapos, 4 na 16 millimeters. Tapos, ilang spacing? Okay, clear spacing na tayo. Divided by the number of spacing. 1, 2, 3. 3. Ilang kaya yung ating SC1? So, ating SC1 is 200 minus 40 times 2 minus 12 multiplied by 2 minus 4 multiplied by 16 over 3. So, 10.67. Ang liit, no? Ang liit masyado. So, check natin yung SC minimum natin based sa ganitong condition. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin kailangan mag-solve ng bundled bars dito, ha? Kagaya ng ginawa sa problem number 2. Hindi. Kasi, wala naman tayong bundled bars na ginamit. So, ang ating minimum clear spacing is 25 mm. Tapos, diameter ng bar. Ano ba diameter ng bar natin? 16 mm, di ba? Tapos, let's assume na ang size ng aggregates natin is 20 ulit. So, this is equivalent to 26.67 mm. So, therefore, yung ating SC minimum is yung pinakamalaki, which is equivalent to 25 mm. Yan. So, since less than ang ating SC na nasolve based on this arrangement sa 25 mm, therefore, okay, no? Hindi pa rin tanggapin yung ganitong arrangement. Kaya pala, okay? Kaya pala hindi pwede yung yung ganito at iba yung ginawa ni MJB Castro. But anyway, ang gawin natin ngayon is yung kay MJB Castro. Ang ginawa niya rito, gumawa siya ng bundled bars na 3. Yan, yung magkakasamang ganyan. Tapos, yan. Tapos, dalawa sa dulo. So, ngayon, ang clear spacing natin is ito. Yan. So let's say this is our clear spacing 2. Pero syempre yung ating vertical clear spacing is laging 25 mm. So hindi ko na ilalagay rito. Pero syempre dapat alam nyo pa rin na yun ay laging 25 mm. Hindi tayo pwedeng bumaba doon, no? So, solve natin ang SC2. Yes, before that, isolve natin yung minimum clear spacing based on this type of arrangement. So, isolve natin yung diameter or equivalent diameter ng bundled bars natin. Ayan. So this is, tanggalin natin pi over 4, no? Magka-cancel out lang din naman. So this is 16 squared multiplied by 3. It's equivalent to d squared. So therefore, ang ating d is 16 squared multiplied by 3, then square root. So this is equivalent to 27.71 millimeters. Kaya, yung ating SC minimum is equivalent to 25 millimeters. Same na same lang dito, no? Same na same lang. Ang pinagkaiba nga lang dito is itong diameter ng bar, which is equivalent to 27.71 na. Yan. So ngayon, hindi pa lumilitaw yung kinapi-paste ko, ang ating SC minimum is equivalent sa 25, no? 27.71 and 26.67. So therefore, ang ating minimum clear spacing is 27.71 millimeters. Ngayon, isolve na natin ang SC. So SC2 is equivalent to 200. And lumitaw na rin sa wakas. So this is equivalent to 200 minus 40 multiplied by 2 minus 12 multiplied by 2, then minus yung bakal natin is 16. Tapos ilan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos yung ating bilang para sa clear spacing is 1. Yun na mismo yun. So ito yung ating SC. So this is 1. So, ito na yun, no? Tama, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, dapat magkalikit ito kasi bundled bars. Okay. Yan. So, lalabas sa sagot dito. Okay, 32 millimeters. Which is greater than sa 27.71 millimeters. So, therefore, okay na at masusunod na natin yung condition or provision ng ating NSCP 2015. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo isolve yung minimum width based on this arrangement, so that is equivalent to 40 times 2 plus 12 multiplied by 2, then plus 4 multiplied by 16, then plus yung ating minimum clear spacing, which is equivalent to 27.71. So, ito yung ating minimum width for the beam. 40 times 2 plus 12 times plus 4 times 16. Okay? Then, plus 27.71. Wait. Error. Okay. Okay. So this is 195.71. Oops. 195.71 millimeters. O diba, ang simple-simple lang naman nung pag-solve ng arrangement ng reinforcing bar and also yung pag-solve ng minimum width ng isang rectangular beam. So that's it, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at marami kayo natutunan sa mga discussion ng mga concept and problem sets ng CEBOX video tutorials. But of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications and updates on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye!